Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Annie J, and today I am going to be taking you through my full nail care routine. These are my nails looking quite tired. It has been roughly about 2 weeks since I applied the nail polish that you are seeing. That is very much disintegrated now. So I'm going to just take you through what I do from start to finish. So first things first, make sure that your hands are washed and clean. I always do that. And then the first thing that I tend to do once I've washed my hands is apply my favorite hand cream, which is my Nivea cream. I feel like it's the best for providing a soft, supple touch on the hands. So now that my hands are moisturized, I am going to go ahead and get cracking with my nail routine. So the first thing I tend to do is I'm going to take my existing nail polish off with my Cutex Care nail polish remover. Start on my left hand. Now guys, I don't know if you remember my last nail video, right? But I fully snapped my left thumbnail off. It was a very sad moment. But that's okay because I'm just going to continue my nail care routine as always. And eventually, guess what? It will grow back. Okay, so that's what my nails are looking like at the moment. Now, apart from the fact that I snapped my thumbnail, my left nails have actually grown pretty well. I don't know if you guys remember one of my older nail videos where my left nails were really far behind my right nails because I don't tend to use my right nails so often. Okay, so that's most of my left nails. Okay, so now that I've got all of my old nail polish removed, I am now going to apply my Mavala Hardener, which you guys have heard me talk about umpteen times at this point. So, do my and all I do is apply my Mavala like I apply my nail polish. Hopefully my thumbnail will grow back in time. Might be a bit of a wait, but we will get there for sure. Okay, then we will now do my left hand. So once that is done guys, what I then do is I've actually added another product to my nail care routine, again by Mavala as well, and I use this because I had a damaged toenail and toenails tend to be a lot thicker than our fingernails. So as you can see here, the rich restructuring cream for damaged nails contains vitamins and proteins for nourishing the nail at its base. Massage daily at bedtime onto nail root. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's not bedtime, guys. However, that's not gonna stop me from applying this onto my nails. little bit on each nail. Alright, then once that's done, I'll just massage the excess so I don't have any left lingering. Okay, then what I will do is simply wipe off any excess left around my nails. Now you can do this with a cotton pad or like so, for example, just to clear any excess cream. Now next up is my nail file. So I don't have a particular way that or shape, to be honest. I'm not that fussed. I just like to make sure that I don't have any blunt edges. So if you guys have seen my last nail video, personally I just like to make sure that any like straight fine or sharp corners are slightly rounded off to minimize the risk of me catching it on something and ripping my nail. I hope that makes sense what I'm saying, guys. See there? So I just sort of round it off. I think these ones are already rounded off pretty well, so okay, so I'm kind of happy with how they all are now. So I am going to crack on with my base coat. So what I'll be using for this is my favourite Rimmel London 60-second Super Shine Clear Polish. As you can see there, the number is 740. First things first. And now that hand is done, I will move to my right hand. So my first coat of clear polish is done. Next up is my favourite Barry M Jelly High Shine in peanut butter. You guys already know this is my go-to. So I usually do just one really good coat. Okay, and now I'm just going to allow my nails to dry, usually for about a 30-minute period. And once they're dry, then I will apply my top coat. So I will be right back. Okay guys, now that my nails are painted, I am going to, typically, I would use my Rimmel top coat. However, as you can see, I am nearing the end of the barrel. So in this instance, I'm actually just going to use my Rimmel 60-second clear polish as my top coat, just on this occasion. But usually I would use my actual top coat because it is specifically for that. So these are what my nails are looking like now. Okay. Okay guys, and I am pretty much done. So you've now seen what my touch up nail routine looks like from start to finish, and this is what my nails look like at the very end. I'm very happy with that. I have an event to go to tomorrow, so it was definitely needed because I could not walk around with the nails I had before I started. But anyway guys, if you missed the tips and hints that I provided in my previous video, I will provide the link up in the corner on the right hand side for you, so you can click and watch that. And in that video I just provide a couple of hints and tips in terms of your nail care, how to best look after them, how to avoid breaking them and things like that. And at the back of that video I do have a nail routine again, so in case you wanted to see this sort of process. But I will update you guys with where my nails are at in the coming weeks, so you can see how my nail growth is going. So far so good, I cannot complain. Let's see how we get on during the summer period, and I will be back to do another nail routine with you guys soon. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you've been a veteran, guys, you know I've got love for you, and I will be back with you guys on another one of my nail videos very soon. Okay, take care of yourselves. It's your girl Miss Annie J. Bye.